Now, this is exciting, a new tool which can predict whether treatment will work or be of benefit to a cancer patient. It's been developed by scientists at the University of Bath. The diagnostic tool relates to immunotherapy and will allow doctors to, avoid unnecessary treatments which probably wouldn't help some patients anyway. Banafshe Larijani is director of the Centre for Therapeutic Innovation and is with me now. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now, I'm no scientist, so in layman's terms, how does this tool work?
Well, actually, it converts the trick that the cancer plays on the immune system. So what we have done, actually, is that we have used a tool in order to be able to see in a quantitative manner how this trick by the cancer cells onto the immune system is actually behaving. So rather than looking at the amount of proteins that most people use to determine how to perform the treatment, we are actually determining how these proteins function, i.e. how the proteins on the tumor cells interact with the immune system, which makes a big difference.
But isn't there always a chance that the tool could get it wrong and therefore cancer patients could be refused treatment which could actually help them?
So actually what's happening right now is that because the tradition is to investigate the amount of protein, about 20% of the cancer patients actually do not get diagnosed correctly. This tool allows us, this is a diagnostic tool using imaging methods, allows us to actually convert that. So those 20% of cancer patients that wouldn't be treated would actually be treated in a correct fashion and wouldn't go through the side effects of the toxicity. So actually our tool that we've developed does quite the opposite to what currently is the classical way of assessing.
When do you hope this will be widely available for cancer specialists to use?
So our hope is that with this tool, we'll be entering international trials, because this is how the process is when you have diagnostic tools. And once we go through these trials, both in the UK and in Europe and the United States, then with a high number of patients, we will be able to hopefully use this tool as what we call a companion diagnostic. So until we enter those high-level number of patient trials, then we won't be able to use these in hospitals. But this is a very beneficial way forward, the quantification of leading towards what we call precision medicine to reach to personalized medicine.
Thank you for joining us and explaining more about it on the programme this afternoon. Banafshe Larijani, Director of the Centre for Therapeutic Innovation.